What's up, everybody? Today we're talking golf swing. The sun is out, the birds are chirping. It means it's golf season in the Northeast and it's time to get on that course. But what I notice most with my golfers is an inability to separate in the downswing. It's probably the number one problem that I see with golfers. Everybody wants to start with their upper body to try to generate power, and it's just wrong. It's going to lead to all types of problems in your golf swing. It's going to lead to loss of power. So let's figure out how to do it right. All you need is a little piece of tubing and a pair of pants with a belt loop on it. So you're going to take one piece of tubing, put it through your belt loop so that you have an anchor on your hips. Then you want to hold the other piece of tubing and then go to the top of your backswing so it stretches. Okay? Doesn't have to be an exaggerated stretch, it's just to give you that feel. So go to the top of your backswing so it stretches, and then what you want to do is increase that stretch with your hips in the downswing, and then let everything come together. So what I see too much is people will get here, create the stretch, and then lose the stretch on the way back down. So instead, you want to keep that stretch and also increase it by twisting your hips towards your target. Try that at home just to get that feel, and then try to take it on the course without the band with your golf club. That's definitely going to help to increase some separation. It's going to help to sync up your golf swing, make it more powerful, make it more consistent, make this season your best season. If you have any questions, please comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.